Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are in
Islands of Adventures.
Today, for the first time in 3 months.
Exactly.
We survived.
And you may ask why they don't have the mask. The reason why you don't get to have a mask is because we're in the resting area. So isn't that cool? The Universal and Island allocated areas that we could rest from face covering.
Yes.
Yeah, you're all gonna need it, believe
super
me.
Helpful.
So we're here today because it's the opening day for annual pass holder, and we want to see and check out the crowd level. And now that we're here in Island of Adventure, we want to check out the progress in Jurassic Park construction.
Yeah, we've been super excited to check it out.
And in case you have not seen it, if you look right behind us over there, you could take a peek of the roller coaster that is coming up.
And we're super excited. I'm super excited. I like that.
And almost 3 months ago, that was not there. So you can tell that Universal Island of Adventure have not wasted any minute to try to put up and keep up with their construction, which is pretty exciting.
Which is pretty smart as well. If you have 3 months that's nobody coming to the park, you better start working.
There's a lot of maintenance and stuff that we heard that they've done, plus that construction. So with that said,
so let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
Kalel is trying a new mask, so before we continue with this adventure, what do we want to say?
Don't forget to subscribe
And smash that like button.
And if you're still with us and being a follower for a while, we want to thank you. Thank you for showing us this love, that much love and support. But if you are new with us, don't forget to
subscribe
and smash it.
Smash that like button.
Just smash it and then just hit subscribe right there. Do it right now. Right now. We miss you. There you go, King Julian. Right off the bat, once you go through the main entrance, this is the Universal rest area. They recommend social distancing, but you actually can remove your face covering and sit down there. So that's pretty cool. Also, if you want to do Hagrid's, you could come over here and do the virtual line right over here and design, or you could do it through the app. This is the allocated area to remove your mask, and you get the view. And look, right behind there, you get to see the new roller coaster that they're building in Jurassic Park. That's pretty neat. And they also have booths on tables over here. If you want to come over here and sit down and chill without a mask, you could do so. That's pretty awesome. First cool things to see is that right over here in Sue's Landing, Green Eggs and Ham's still open. So if you haven't tried Green Eggs and Ham, you need to do so. And I mean, we'll put our video down below when we came and tried the food, but that's pretty exciting. It was delicious. We gotta come back and try more food too. But that's pretty exciting to see. Landing, they have this sign over here just telling us that it's closed. And if you don't know where I am, this is the kids zone. Right back there is where kids get to play. It's like a little kiddie playground. And it is closed for the moment. I'm assuming they don't want kids and people to touch, and you know, it's hard to keep up with that area. So if you're bringing your little one, keep in mind that area will be closed. And over here, they got a map where they point out to you where you could wash your hands. Obviously, they encourage to wash your hands, but they're pointing to you at the bathrooms or where the bathrooms located, so you could continue to wash your hands. Just like we sing in the other park, they actually bring the character on a stage, and they have markers over here telling people where to stand. They put a rope over there to create that social distance from the character, so you can come over there and then take a picture, a selfie with them. So it's good for you guys to know. All right guys, just want to show you now everything at least today is open. But if you were wondering in regards to the refill machines, they haven't available. But what they do is they have a team member there, and after each use, that team member is supposed to clean before the next person get a refill, unless they come from the same party. So that's also good to know. So guys, we're right now right behind Mythos, And here's a closer look of this roller coaster and how it's coming along. That right there is Burger Dick's, the restaurant. And look at this trail over here. It looks pretty neat. I don't know. Are you as excited as I am? Because I cannot wait for this one. In case you were wondering, there's another U-Rest area here at Lost Continent where you could remove your mask at the same time that you rest. And believe me, you will need it. Alright guys, so here in Lost Continent they have the U-Rest area by the theater. Back in the days, I think this used to be the Sinbad show or something like that. I can't even remember the name of it. But they just told us right now that we can come in, we can sit, and this is where you get to remove your mask, which is really cool. So it's right over here where you can come and rest and take your mask off, relax. I'm not sure they still have the show going on. I doubt it. But this used to be a show, or still a show, I don't know. But for now, this is where we get to rest and take the mask off, which, believe me, you will need with this weather. I know, it's hot. But just so you know, there's a total of 2 U-Rest area here in the park, 2 more in Universal, which we'll show you on our video that we made at Universal, and 1 on City Walk. So over here is back here in Lost Continent and by Portal Entry, and Universal was by Hollywood Boulevard and by the Fear Factor Theater, and City Walk, you'll see it over there. There's by the middle section. So, and in case you were wondering, this is the line, the virtual line to go to Hagrid, and it's pretty long. So one of the things that we noticed is that it's not marked off all the way down there, unfortunately. So keep in mind, you gotta keep your social distance when you come to the park, but it's pretty long. And now that we're here on everything dealing with Harry Potter, you know as it is, this is a crowded place, which is kind of like scary too. Those are the signs, the marking for social distancing, but again, this continues to be the line for Hagrid. And there's markings on the floor for the butter beer, so you pay over there and you pick it up on the other side. So that's how they do it. You pay, go around, and then you pick it up on the other side. Here's another look. This is coming out of right behind, we're in the bridge between the Harry Potter and Jurassic Park, and that's basically the rail that we could look from behind Mythos. That's how it's looking. It's pretty awesome though. Oh, check this out, guys. This wall over here that divides Harry Potter and
Hogwarts.
I'm sorry, Hogwarts with Jurassic
Right,
Park.
Dad.
I know, I'm sorry, Hogwarts.
If we got Harry Potter fans, they're gonna be so disappointed.
They are, but that's why we have you to save me. Since that I don't watch that much Harry Potter.
Guys, don't worry. I've been trying to get him in. So guys, remember, if you watched our last video, I told you when we had the 1,000 mark of subscribers, we're gonna go somewhere special, and our dad promised us. So if you're watching the video, make sure you subscribe, please.
This little girl is begging you because I challenged them to get us to 1,000 subscribers, and I take him for a cool adventure, and you guys. So she's been driving me crazy. So help her out to get there.
Please.
This is how we're looking from right next to Burger Dick's. That's the other part of the roller coaster that is coming up. Here it is, guys. We told you Universal been busy. They do have a new Raptor Encounter location right here right next to Pizza Predatoria. So that's where you get to meet the Raptor now. That's pretty cool. We'll be back another day just to check it out. Wondering, not only you could remove your mask while being the U-Rest, but if you're drinking something, that's when you can also remove your mask. Drinking or eating. And it's hot, so trust me, it's needed. a closer look here at Sue's Landing. Not much going on over here. Some of the water rides are open, but of course not that many people are riding them. Are out. Of course they have the marking, social distancing marking for Popeye and Olive. And you could take a selfie with them on the background. That's
So guys, right here is a line for all the superheroes, as you can see marked. So in each section they have a box. Hi Dad. In each section they have a box over here. So for each character. That's super cool. And that's a super good idea instead of, you know, like actually going like 6 feet apart. So then Universal had a smart way of taking pictures, which is super cool.
And in case you were wondering, you're required to wear a mask while you ride the hole. So that's part of the requirement. And obviously people have it on, so apparently it's working.
But I wish it's kind of hard, because if yours is not very well, it could just fall off.
I don't know,
There
but
goes your mask.
I haven't heard anybody complaining that their masks have fallen off, so I don't know, it seems to be working. But anyway, we hope that you enjoy our day here in Island of Adventure. We have fun walking around, seeing the progress in Jurassic Park,
Yeah.
how far away the construction is, right?
Yeah, and next time we come back, we're hopefully going to ride some rides.
Yeah, we'll do some rides like Spider-Man right now. It was a 25-minute waiting time. So it's not bad. It's doable. One of the things that I can tell you, compared to Disney, Universal is trying. He's doing their part. But I have not seen hand sanitizing station throughout the park like I thought I would see. That's one of the things that I wish they step it up or they bring back or do something different.
I saw some in the stores.
But
And I did see one of them when we went in Hogwarts.
Gringotts?
In Gringotts in our last video, there's hand sanitizer. You just have to look for it in the end of the ride. And I'm
But it's
guessing
in the
forever.
ride. What I'm talking about is throughout the park. You know, when you go to Disney Springs as it is, or before Disney shut down, they have portable hand washing stations. Over here, they have signs that show you where the restrooms are so you can wash your hands. So compared to Disney, I feel that they're a little bit behind. Also, Disney throughout their property have hand sanitizing, you know, touchless station. I have not seen in either one of the parks those touchless hand sanitizing at all.
Washing their hands is better than.
I know washing their hands is better, but they should be requiring more or actually providing us with more hand sanitizing station. Now I'm giving you my personal opinion in comparison with Disney, so hopefully Universal as a company will step it up, because for me Disney has more of those hand sanitizing and portable hand washing stations. So anyway, overall it was a really good day. With that said,
Don't
forget
forget
to
to subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn on that bell for notification.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below.
always remember to smile loud.
Be cool and
And stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.